Coding block, COBOL. These are not just blocks. These are magic blocks anyone can use to build. You can bring COBOL to life with coding through COBOL Scratch. Okay, let's show you the potential of COBOL. With COBOL, you can be a police officer controlling traffic, a warrior attacking enemies bravely, a magician making beautiful bubbles, and an artist playing wonderful melodies. What should we do? There's a stranger. Don't worry, if you have COBOL IoT, you can react to a stranger's visit with your smartphone. Wow, isn't that great? And this is not all. COBOL is connected with Google's App Inventor. With your self-created app, you can control COBOL Car. Our smart COBOL car moves along with your gesture. Just imagine! With Coding Block COBOL, you can create all of these. Dream, make, and learn. Coding Block, COBOL.
Ever seen kids this excited about learning? Introducing Leapfrog Academy, the digital learning subscription for online or on-the-go play, with over 1,500 interactive activities that teach core school skills, along with problem solving, creative thinking, and social skills. Kids learn how they already love to play. Sign up for a free trial now and see how exciting learning can be.
Robobo is the next generation of educational robot. It uses a smartphone as the brain of the mobile base. From that moment, you can program it with your computer or tablet. Robobo can feel just like you do. See colors, hear sounds, recognize faces, shapes, sense when you touch him. It also knows how to talk, show his emotions, and of course he can move. All this thanks to the combination of Robobo's mobile base and the existing technology in current smartphones now available to you. Whether you do not know how to program or if indeed you are already an expert.
Using your smartphone's camera, Robobo can recognize objects, tags, or faces. You can also use speech recognition or sound production, GPS, accelerometers, gyroscopes, internet connection. All of these together with the computational power of current smartphones allows you to develop a new level of projects in educational robotics.
Robobo is an educational tool to use in the classroom. Robots will become an educational element for classes. As such, young people must learn to deal with them and control them in a natural manner. Robobo allows you to learn the future of robotics now, as it has the capabilities of robots that will surround your lives in a few years' time. Robobo allows to incorporate 3D printed parts to extend its capabilities, so mechanical design is also part of the educational experience. Robobo brings technology closer to kids and makes it easy and fun.
Are you not a morning person? Try to understand, we have trouble sometimes too. You know that dazed, irritated feeling when you don't feel like yourself in the morning? It's called sleep inertia. And it's most severe when you are abruptly woken up during deep sleep. TikTok Turtle monitors your body movement and wakes you in your lightest stage of sleep. This reduces effects of sleep inertia and helps you to get up more naturally and in a better mood. When it's time to wake up, Sunrise Light Therapy countdown lights make it even easier to get up. To turn off the alarm, tap to snooze or shake to wake. Getting enough sleep is important to feeling good in the morning. Soft red night lights give security and make falling asleep a breeze. TikTok Turtle is a learning tool for all ages. Step 1. Colors. Red means still bedtime. Step 2, counting. 3 hours to go. Step 3, learning the clock. Tick-Tock Turtle is completely portable and can be used as a nightlight. Settings buttons for parents are conveniently hidden away under the shell. Start great days with better mornings. Tick-Tock Turtle.
With the MakePad, kids can actually touch their knowledge from their very first moment by understanding how all of its components work all together and turning the Raspberry Pi into a very cool tablet. We designed the MakePad and its applications with the purpose that every children could develop the 21st century core skills such as creativity, communication, collaboration, and critical thinking at any place, even without access to the internet.
Over the next years, programming will still be one of the fastest growing occupations with millions of jobs to be filled. Coding is becoming a global language. Is your child prepared to that? Our operational system was designed to be very friendly for children, and it comes with an embedded application where the kids can learn how to make games, digital music, apps, and more. All macOS applications are organized by categories and placed into planets, like Game Planet, App Planet, and Code Planet. Hey, I'm Caesar, and I'm passionate about technology and education. I've been teaching computer programming for kids since 2015 when I co-founded a cool school in Brazil that has already impacted thousands of children aged from 5 and up. This amazing experience made me figure out that children must have a technology product thought specially for them and STEM education. So, by the beginning of last year, I've started developing the MakePad, a do-it-yourself tablet based on Raspberry Pi that kids can build with their own hands and start learning how to code.
So we created iBrain, a brain training program designed to harness your child's innate genius and apply it to real life. The program targets 3 key functions of a child's developing brain: memory, focus, and creativity, and all while having a blast. With over 100 games and activities, you can watch your child gain confidence with numbers, drawing, and coding as they use both sides of their brain, the creative and the analytical. Games are great, but there is something else truly unique about iBrain. We combined one of the oldest forms of mathematical tools with cutting-edge technology to create the digital abacus. Effective brain training requires a smooth integration of different cognitive centers like visual, kinesthetic, imaginative, and logical. And that's exactly what our digital abacus provides. It's a physical object that lets kids as young as 4 and as old as, well, your grandmother move beads to see calculations step by step. But what's so great about math? Especially math using kebab sticks? We believe it is the foundation for every other skill, from cooking to coding, and math doesn't have to be scary. In fact, it can be fun. With our instructional videos and guides, your kids can teach themselves, and maybe teach you a thing or two. Your kid has unlimited potential, whether they want to be an artist, a doctor, an engineer, or a rock star. You can give your child a major advantage by helping them learn to love math early, giving them the tools they need to be great. And now, we need your help to put the iBrain abacus in the hands of children around the world, to make their brains that count. Not with their fingers.
Hi, I'm Anissa, a professor in behavioral psychology and a mom of 2 fun but strong-willed girls. One night, I was teaching a lecture to my grad students on how to address picky eaters and the different techniques that behavioral analysts suggest. Later that night, I'm home having dinner with my family, and my oldest daughter is showing no interest in eating dinner. Clearly, I was the subject of my own lecture. But we had to push through using the bite-for-bite principle from my lecture. This is a widely used strategy in clinical settings, but at work, the practitioner never has to worry about eating their own meal. Not the case when you're the parent. Even though we got our daughter to eat dinner, I was stressed and couldn't enjoy my own meal. I finally had enough and told my husband we needed to come up with a better solution to be able to enjoy our own meal without stress while ensuring our girls were eating a balanced meal. Lucky for me, I married an engineer and an inventor. And together we designed a plate that allows parents to decide the order in which your child eats her food and also provides children with the independence of managing their own meal while keeping them engaged and motivated throughout the entire time they are eating. After dozens of prototypes, we came up with Ate the Plate, a plate that spins inside a clear cover. The see-through cover provides a clear expectations for the parents and the child. The oversized center grip makes it easy for kids to spin to the next compartment. Another great aspect, the plate only spins in one direction, and the spinning is what creates the engaging gamification of mealtime for the kid. Everyone wins. We designed Ate the Plate for the kids to use. This meant empowerment for the children and happy parents. And for our own peace of mind, we use state-of-the-art and safe materials. The plastic is the same used in high-end baby bottles. Safe for my girls, dishwasher safe. We've had a lot of fun with Ate the Plate, and our girls actually asked to use it. Some of our friends have tested the plate, and well, here's what they have to say about it.